You're good.
Shit, man down. Hostiles are going loud.
Frag out.
Marking
Hola,
position now.
putas.
I was scared every time. If you ever meet anybody that tells you they weren't scared, they're full of ruins. This for me.
Step it up. We're running out of time.
What the fuck? Get the fuck out. I know you far away. No. Don't see. Okay, you act back. Thank you. Father,
This for me.
all for you. Damn. Sorry, all for you. You can pick up the pistol. That's why you buy it. No. Hot. You gotta do hot. Hot, 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 hot. You gotta do.
Did you know that rocks falling in Yosemite National Park about 1,000 trees, some being about a third of a mile away. Based on visual calculation, not in the world ever made. Completely insane tsunami creature. What do you guys want your next? Did you know that rocks falling in Yosemite National Park can be more powerful than any non-nuclear bomb? Oh, electric stalking. Stalking. Look at that. Do you see a person? Video shows him walking through thick trees, the air quiet and still, but far in the background, something moves. A dark figure, hard to see at first. Every time he turns, it slips behind him.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Who's stalking you now?
Heads up. I'm placing a mine over here. Guys, I'm placing a mine.
Sniper, what's up?
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Fuck, he's a sniper too.
I'm gonna try to come up from behind this time.
I just push because my sniper sucked. I didn't choose my operator.
Frag out.
Recon tower is back online.
So Trevor, you got me? What? He bassed you? They're trying to.
That guy's history.
Alright. Oh, so you can use SMG. Just a marksman duel. I think they're far away, y'all. Far away on their spawn.
I'm almost to their respawn.
Well, I'm
But
on
I
their
don't
spawn.
see no. I don't see
Right,
nobody in the back.
I think they're in the back, right here somewhere. Oh, I seen him.
I got you.
I shot him. I shot him.
Taking fire.
Behind you.
Target eliminated.
Nice. Stalker is down there, y'all. Come on now.
Fuck, I'm made.
He's
I'm
over
logged.
there.
I'm
Right.
logged.
I'm on the back of their mountain where he was.
Oh,
Do not.
shot me. I see him.
Broke visual with the enemy. They've got a fix on me. Enemy's lost visual. I'm clear.
Oh, I see one over there.
Yep, he tried to kill me, man.
Still
Ah,
remaining. Let's get this done.
that's the,
We're gonna look around here for some intel.
I'm bleeding.
Man down, man
I'm
down.
dead.
who shot you?
That one that I killed,
Oh,
I'm bleeding. I bled out.
there you go. There you go, there you go. Don't let him pick up.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Yeah,
Enemy
easy.
forces neutralized.
Easy
Great job.
peasy, easy squeezy. No, sorry.
He didn't even see me.
Yeah. You thought he's
I
gonna
turned-
get his buddy up.
I turned my mark off where it wouldn't mark him.
Oh, we got it. They're gonna hate it, but hey, we gotta win, man.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Marking
Taking
position
fire!
now.
Taking fire!
Alright.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
Heads up. I'm placing a mine over here.
Placing a mine over here.
I'm gonna come around the backside again like I did.
Where the fuck is that dude? That reinforcer? I feel like that's reinforced. Oh, I got it. What? I shot him. Oh, what
there's
the
one.
fuck?
There's one on top
Got me
of you
marked.
over there.
Shit, man down. Hostile lost visual.
The recon tower is back online.
Heads up. Enemy activity. Hostiles are going loud. I'm placing a mine for our Sicario friends.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck.
The enemy's gathering intel on us.
Well, there or die. Here.
The enemy has our position. Get
Frag
moving.
out.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon. All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
What was left for what? No. Come on, enemy, say something. Enemy, enemy, enemy. Are we left out? Now we all gonna be left out. There we go.
down and eliminate hostile forces in the area. Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
That sucks having to crawl around on your belly.
What are you talking about?
The recon tower is back online.
Because I'm coming around the backside trying to stay down low.
Frag out. Get
You
some.
know.
Grenade, move. Frag out. Eat it, fuckers. Frag out. See you in hell. Grenade, get to cover. Frag out. Eat it, fuckers. I'm pinned down over here.
Marking position.
I'm pinned down here.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity. Hostiles are going loud.
Taking fire. Fucking hell.
Fuck the men. Lobbing a flashbang. We've got enemy activity. Marking
Oh!
position now.
What a minute, something moved. Ah, he ain't there no more.
Tango down. Frag out. Hola, putas. Kill
One hostile
confirmed.
remaining. Let's get this done.
Got it.
Dude, I can get up there and pick some of y'all up.
The enemy's gathering intel on us. The enemy has our position. Get moving.
Under heavy
We
fire!
have a signal from the recon tower. We'll be active soon. All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
Right. Okay, te veo. Okay. Yes.
I did see an NBA player get 2 beats by Genuine Club. It was at H2O on the waterfront. So Genuine giving bottle back to the bottle to him. And Wine was like, he was like, I ain't gay. I'm not accepting no bottle, no man. Then that shit back. I came. And all the time, yeah. I did see. Becky, this is exactly the situation.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Heads up. Minefield. Guys, I'm placing a mine.
Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.